Zyklon B, translated Cyclone B, was the trade name of a cyanide-based pesticide invented in Germany in the early 1920s. It consisted of hydrogen cyanide, as well as a cautionary irritant and one of several adsorbents such as diatomaceous earth. The product is notorious for its use by Nazi Germany during the Holocaust to murder approximately 1.1 million people in gas chambers installed at Auschwitz-Birkenau, Majdanek, and other extermination camps. A total of around 6 million Jews were murdered during the Holocaust. Hydrogen cyanide, a poisonous gas that interferes with cellular respiration, was first used as a pesticide in California in the 1880s. Research at DGH of Germany led to the development of Zyklon, a pesticide that released hydrogen cyanide upon exposure to water and heat. It was banned after World War I, when Germany used a similar product as a chemical weapon. DGH purchased DGH in 1922. Their team of chemists, which included Walter Hirt and Bruno Tesch, devised a method of packaging hydrogen cyanide in sealed canisters along with a cautionary irritant and one of several adsorbents such as diatomaceous earth. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.